The Department of Tourism Nagaland held its first coordination meet with tribal ho-hos today as it prepares for the Hornbill Festival 2024. Two representatives from each tribal ho-ho attended the meeting. Briefing media after the meeting, Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Dr. G. Hukukha said that the tribal bodies shared their ideas and highlighted the challenges they faced during the festival, which include water scarcity, network connectivity and financial constraints. The tribal bodies pointed out that the funds provided by the state government, which is an amount of rupees 1.5 lakh, is not sufficient to run the Morongs for 10 days. The Commissioner and Secretary said that the department will discuss and try to increase the funds this year as the Hornbill Festival will mark 25 years of existence.
Yes, the tribal bodies, they actually have highlighted the issues because they wanted to give the best to the tourists and also to the best experience for those people who are working there. Now, the real issue that they are facing right now is water supply and then the electricity and also the network issues. And also they could not give the best because they do not have enough funds. So 1.5 lakhs, which they said they had received earlier, was not good enough, sufficient. So we are also thinking that it should be a little bit higher for this year because this being the 25th edition. And they have also highlighted that if we want to run for 24/7 for the next year onwards, then they will have to have a lot of, they have to do a lot of operation and maintenance and also to upkeep those things.
Speaking on the preparations of the festival, Hukukha said despite elections and long spell of monsoon which delayed the readiness, work for the fest will be completed by mid-November.
Because of the elections after elections this year and because of the long spell of monsoon rainfall, the preparations has gone a little bit behind schedule. But we are hoping that the work that will be that is going on will be completed by 15th of November and at the most by 20th November. Some highlights are that there will be a new gallery, there will be a very spruced up, very big, better and spruced up Morongs, and also there will be a footpath towards this Gate 1 to Gate 2, and some more plantations and some more new structures will be there, new building and new stalls will be there.